Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a fascinating journey from the lush cherry orchards along the western coast of the United States to the very moment these bright red fruits reach your table. Cherries, small, glossy, and bursting with flavor, are more than just a seasonal treat. They carry stories of patience, technology, and hard work, and in 2025, this story is more exciting than ever. According to the latest USDA forecast, U.S. sweet cherry production this year is expected to reach 383,000 tons, up 4% from last season. The state of Washington alone accounts for 260,000 tons, a massive 29% increase that reinforces its role as the heart of America's cherry industry. Michigan, despite a 31% decline in its sour cherry yield, remains a vital supplier for tart cherries used in juices, pies, and preserves. The Pacific Northwest, Washington, Oregon, and parts of California provides the perfect natural environment for cherries. Cold winters, warm springs, and fertile, well-drained soils with a pH between 6 and 7 allow the roots to thrive. These regions are blessed with just the right mix of sunshine and rainfall, giving cherries their distinct sweetness and vibrant red skin. Planting is an art. Farmers usually plant in late fall or early spring when the soil is moist and the trees can adjust without heat stress. Each sapling is carefully placed in a 2-foot hole, spaced 13 to 20 feet apart, to allow the canopy and roots to expand without competition. Right after planting, water is applied to settle the soil and kickstart root development. To support growth, nitrogen fertilizer is added during the first phase to boost leaf and branch formation. Later, farmers switch to a balanced NPK mix to enrich the fruit with sugars and minerals. Modern drip irrigation systems keep soil moisture stable without overwatering. During winter dormancy, skilled pruning takes place. Farmers remove dry, weak, or overlapping branches to open up the canopy. This allows better airflow and sunlight penetration, which directly improves fruit quality. By March and April, cherry blossoms transform entire orchards into breathtaking landscapes of white and pale pink. Unlike peach blossoms, cherry flowers are simple and delicate, yet they symbolize purity and the coming harvest. After pollination, cherries begin to form and grow rapidly. Within 45-90 days, depending on the variety and climate, the fruit matures from green to blushing pink, then deep ruby red. Bing, Rainier, and Sweetheart are among the most sought-after sweet varieties, while Montmorency is the king of tart cherries. Harvesting cherries is a delicate task. Each fruit is light and fragile, easily bruised if handled carelessly. Traditionally, workers hand-pick cherries one by one, keeping the stems attached to preserve freshness and extend shelf life. In large commercial orchards, mechanical harvesters are increasingly used. These machines weighing up to 10 tons gently shake the tree at a calibrated frequency so ripe cherries fall onto conveyor belts. Advanced models can collect 10-20 tons per hour, equipped with sensors to sort by ripeness. Reducing the need for manual labor while minimizing tree damage. Once harvested cherries are immediately transported to packing houses. Here, the fruit undergoes thorough washing to remove dirt dust and microorganisms. Air dryers and rotating brushes ensure the skin dries evenly, leaving it glossy and less prone to spoilage. Next, cherries are graded and sorted by size, color, and brightness using high-tech optical scanners. Only the best are packed into trays, cartons, or protective bags. About 80% of fresh cherries are consumed directly in the domestic market, while the rest enter the processing sector. Lower-grade fruit isn't wasted. Instead, it goes to juice plants where cherries are crushed, deseeded, pasteurized, and bottled, Tart cherry juice in particular has become a booming health product thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. And cherries are more than just delicious. A single cup of fresh sweet cherries provides 12% of your daily vitamin C, 10% of potassium, and healthy amounts of copper, manganese, and fiber. They contain anthocyanins compounds that fight inflammation, improve heart health, and even reduce the risk of certain cancers. Cherries are also a natural source of melatonin and tryptophan, which support better sleep. Tart cherries like Montmorency offer unique health benefits. They contain up to twice the antioxidant phenols of sweet cherries, making them powerful allies against oxidative stress. Research shows tart cherry juice can ease arthritis symptoms, lower uric acid levels, and help people with gout manage pain. In summer 2025, the Northwest cherry industry expects to deliver over 213,000 tons of export-ready fruit after temporary tariff relief opened doors to major foreign markets. Farmers and exporters alike see this as an opportunity to expand global presence while ensuring high-quality fruit continues to define the Made in USA cherry. Every bite of a cherry this season is more than just a taste of sweetness. It's a story of science, tradition, and dedication. From soil preparation to global shipping, from patient hand-picking to advanced optical sorters, the journey of a cherry reflects both the resiliences of farmers and the power of innovation in agriculture. So the next time you enjoy a fresh handful of cherries, remember the months of care, precision, and hope poured into every piece of fruit. This is the story of America's cherries, timeless, vibrant, and always worth savoring.